Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AI with Hari. In this video, you are going to learn about command rename. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. In Git, rename is done by mv command. So, the command would be mv. Now let us see the practical implementation. I'll navigate to D drive, Git, and inside that Git RR, and I'll open my terminal. Now I'll make use of git init, which would create an empty git repository. Now using echo command, I will create 2.txt file. So initially, we will check the git status. Actually, which is clean. We have not made the commit. Let's make a commit. Git commit, and I'll say my second commit. I'm not sure whether the commit is second or not. I will simply give it as a second commit. Now it shows that one file has been changed and the second commit has been successfully completed. Now if we make use of git status command, it shows that on branch master and nothing to commit, and the working tree is clean to move ahead. Now we will make use of mv command. The syntax is mv old file name and the new file name. Before looking into the mv command, now first look at the ls command, which lists a directory. As you can see that 2.txt is the only file present at that time. So now we will rename the file 2.txt using mv command. So the syntax would be mv space file name. That's the old file name 2.txt, and I'll change it to 1.txt. You can see that the command has been successfully completed. Now if I make use of git status, it shows that 2.txt file has been deleted and a new untracked file 1.txt has been created. But actually what we have done is we have just renamed the file. But Git understands that 2.txt file has been deleted and 1.txt file has been newly created. Now if we make use of git add and dot, which we have successfully completed. Now, again, if you make use of the git status command, it shows that 2.txt has been renamed to 1.txt. Here we have to execute two commands, right? Now we will make a commit as git commit -m, and I will make it as a third commit. Now again, if you see that commit command has been successfully completed and one file has been changed. We have not actually newly created, but we have renamed the file 1.txt. It took 2 steps for Git to understand that file has been renamed only and it has not been deleted. This is by making use of mv command in Linux. But now what we will do is we will make use of git move command. So initially we will make use of ls command, and if we list the directory, we can see that the name has been changed to 1.txt. Now again, I'll change this 1.txt to 2.txt. For that, I'll make use of git. Now, I'll make use of the command using git mv old file name, that is 1.txt, and the new file name would be 2.txt. This is the file. The 1.txt is going to change to 2.txt. Now if I make use of this enter command and if I display ls, you can see that file name has been successfully changed. Now if I again execute git status, it shows directly that it has been renamed from 1.txt to 2.txt. Hence, this git move command, the git mv command internally does two works. One, if first step would be renaming the file, and second name would be adding the renamed file to staging area. So this is how git mv command works. So that's it for this video. In this video, we have learned about git rename. Hope this video was informative. Please do subscribe, like and share this video to your friends. Happy learning.